Fourth standard students, let us start new chapter, cards and wheels. You can see the different type of cards, wheels, wheels. Hey, see how big this wheel is. I have never seen a wheel like this. That boy is telling to her mother. You can see. You must have seen many such round things around you. List some more in your notebook. So what you will do, you will send the things, pictures first and things name and send on my personal number. So some is ball, plate, bangle, buckets, top and bottom, small cape, okay, cold drinks, in cold drinks bottle, its cape, okay, so many things you can see around you. Those are in the circular shape or in round shape, okay. Now turn the page. Now see round bangle. Have you ever gone to bangle shop? See different types of bangles you can see in this picture. I cannot wear these bangles. These are too small. That girl is telling this bangle is very small. I cannot wear this. Okay. Guess which of these bangles is of your size? Maybe this. Fifth standard. Girls, you can wear this because all these three, it is the smallest size. Take a wire and make a bangle for yourself. So in art and craft, you have seen so many things in round shape, how you can make bangle, or YouTube video easily you can learn how you can make bangle with the help of wire. So you will make one video and send it on my personal number. Can your madam or mother wear this bangle? So big bangle you will make or any size, and then you can see I am showing my size. You can see. So make for me. Okay, it's a gift from your side to me. Let's see how many students will present. A bangle can be used to trace a circle. Yes, when we keep the bangles and you will make one shape, you will get the circular shape. What are the other things around you that you can use the trace a circle? So I am having this, you can see, sanitizer bottle, so I can see here, and you also can see when I will make, see here, I will get the circular shape. Okay, same thing you can see this, just a minute, lunch box. Okay, so we can make the circle. So many things you can use to draw a circle or to trace a circle. Trace a circle with the help of some of these things in your notebook or on the ground. Which things make the smallest circle? Which things make the biggest circle? This activity for you, you will do so many things and draw the circle. So what thing you have used to draw a smallest circle, you will tell, and which thing you have used to trace a big circle, right? Now see on page number 83, games with circles. You can see children are playing some games. See here, we play this game. This piece of cloth we keep in backside of that girl, and when the girl does not pick. We beat lightly we beat, and then we pick this piece of cloth, and this way we play this game. And if the girl sees, so she will pick the cloth, and then in place of that girl, that boy will sit, and then in this way we play the game. Children are playing some games. You can see in the round. And game 2, you know, in the circular shape, we keep this piece of cloth, and from both, who will pick the first, he or she will be winner. In this way we play this game. Do you play these games? Which song do you sing when you play this? So you will sing the song, and you will send your video on my personal number, because I don't know the name of these games. Seriously, children, but you know very well, so you will tell me. Play these games in your school. So it's not possible. So next year, I hope, I pray the God, when next year all the circumstances will be fine and you will come the school, definitely you will play the game, and even I will also play with you. Why do we make a circle in each of these games? What if a rectangle was made? Discuss. So you will tell me why we don't make rectangle in these games, or why we can make the rectangle in these games. Okay, think of some other games you play by making circles. So Damsharas also we can play by making the circle, and Antakshari if we want to play. But the rule is, so you will write those type of games list in that game. Circular, to sit or to stand in circular shape, must compulsory. Okay, making a circle. Naina, Chippu and Archana want to play a game. You can see 3. They want to make a big circle. You can see here they are trying to make a circle on the ground, but they cannot make it by tracing. They are trying, but they are not able to draw. So Archana tries to draw a circle with a stick. You can see this stick. Now she is trying. Chippu and Naina, it does not look like a circle at all. They both are telling it's not look like a circle. Archana, okay, why don't both of you try? Archana is telling, now you will try if I am not able to draw a circle in proper way. Chippu and Naina both make circles on the ground. You can see the circles. They are circles on the ground. Is any of these a good drawing of a circle? Discuss. All these 3 are circles. Discuss. You can discuss with your parent. Okay. Can you draw a circle on the floor with a chalk? Try. At home you can try. Also draw a circle in your notebook using a pencil. So this you will try in rough notebook with the help of pencil. You can draw a circle, big circle, small circle. See, it is not a circle in proper way. Look at the circles drawn by your friends. Who has drawn the best circle? So this activity you will do with your parents, brother, sister. Okay. Now see on the next page, making a circle with a rope. Archana decided to use nails and a thread to make a circle on the ground. Now Archana has decided we will use 1 nails and a thread. एक कील लेंगे और एक धागा लेंगे. Okay. She took a thin rope and tied nails on both ends of the rope. She took a thin rope. उसने एक पतला सा धागे जैसा मजबूत वाली रस्सी ली एंड टाइड नेल्स ऑन बोथ एंड्स, और जो धागे के हैं वो दोनों एंड्स, पॉइंट जो है वो उसने टाई की ऑन बोथ एंड्स ऑफ द रोप के दोनों एंड्स उससे. देन शी मेड अ सर्कल विद द हेल्प ऑफ हर फ्रेंड. लुक एट द पिक्चर एंड सी हाउ दे आर मेकिंग द सर्कल. फर्स्ट a big rope, then and tied here. Can you also make a circle with a rope and nails like Archana? So try at your home. Do the activity in small groups. But what you will do, this activity you will do at your home. Each group should take a rope of a different length. You can use a different length. Okay, see the circles made by different groups. So you will send your video on my personal WhatsApp number. Which group made the smallest circle? I will tell you how long was their rope. Then we will measure the rope. Does a longer rope make a bigger circle? Definitely. Because when you will take longer rope, in this way you will end point of rope you will tie here, and the second one thread end point you will take the round, you will get bigger circle. Now see what your friends have drawn. Discuss the length of radius they measured. Is it the same as yours? When you will take the different lengths of rope, you will get different radius. Okay, the meaning of radius is, you can see the nail of the circle is in the middle. That means it is the center, and that line is radius. So in this circle, it is the center, and from the center, end point on the center, you can see this line segments. Its end point on the center of the circle, and second end point is on the circle. So this line is called radius. The length of rope used is equal to the length of the radius of the circle. What was the radius of the smallest circle? Okay, you will, but here only circle. It is called center of the circle, and this line is called radius of the circle. Okay, the radius of this bangle, using a ruler, measure the length of the radius. So in this bangle, you can see the center. It's called center of the bangle, and bangle is in circular shape. So what you will do, you will, with the help of ruler, so first you will join. Okay, join and then read. So the radius of this bangle is, you can see here, you will keep little bit exact on the center, and now you will see exactly 1.5 centimeter. So what you will do, you will draw a circle with the help of rounder I will show you, and 1.5 you will draw. Measure first 1.5 with the help of ruler in the rounder. I will show you. Okay, and then draw the circle, and then the circle you will give the design like bangle in your notebook. And this chapter you will do in your geometry notebook, interleaf notebook. Okay, One page is blank and another page lining page. That type of notebook you will use for doing this chapter. On the blank page you will draw the figure. Okay, draw the radius of these circles. Guess which circle has the longer radius? So you can see the longer radius will be having in this circle because this circle is bigger than that circle. So easily first you will join this to this and then measure. So I am not joining because in one hand, in my left hand, the mobile is there. So not possible. So what you will do, I am showing you first you. So exact you can see here, point is in front of the 0. You can see, and the end point of on the circle, so exactly in front of the 1. So the radius of this circle is 1 centimeter. Okay, how you have to do, I will show you. Okay, same way here you will see the radius of this circle is 1.5. Okay, so same way I am giving you idea. First you 1 centimeter, you will take radius with the help of ruler and a rounder you will use, and then draw the circle on the blank pages. Right? Now measure the radius of both the circles using a ruler. Write the length of their radius. Radius of the green circle 1 centimeter. Radius of the blue circle 1.5 centimeter. Okay. Now find out. Measure the radius of the wheels of a bicycle or a bullock cart. You can use a thread or a measuring tape. So at your home, bullock cart is not possible, but bicycle. So in the bicycle, first what you will do, center you will choose, and then with the help of thread or tape, measuring tape, you will write here radius of the bicycle, wheel of the bicycle. Have you seen a tractor or a roller? Yes. Which is the biggest wheel you have ever seen? So, biggest wheel. Are all wheels of a tractor or road roller of the same radius? No. So you will write in here your answer. Don't believe my answer, your experience you will share here. Then we will decide. Okay. Now you can see how I have drawn the circle, and it's called rounder. In the rounder, keep this thing in your mind. The sharpen point of the pencil, its gun, and the rounder's needle, both should be in the same level. You can see? Okay? And don't use darkened pencil for drawing the circle. So OP you can see here, and OQ, OR. Okay, in this way. Now if you want to draw a circle of 1.5 centimeters, so see here, suppose that it's a ruler. So 1.5, so you can see needle in front of this, and 0 should be in front of the gun of pencil. Then you will draw in this way. you can draw with the help of rounder. Okay. And it's called center of the circle and radius when you will draw O2. Another one end point of line segment should be on the circle. So you will get radius. In this way you will draw. Okay. Now see here. Lali and Kali are tied to a pole with ropes. You can see here Lali and Kali. Kali has a longer rope. Who can look for more grass to eat? So see here, if Kali will move, so longer rope she is having. So she can graze more area of the garden, and it's smaller. So got it? Now see Daljit's design. Daljit has made these designs using a compass. You can see here Daljit is drawing different, and then he has drawn the different radius. But keep this thing in your mind. This center of the circle is common in this all the circles. 1, 2, 3. He has drawn 3 circles, but center of the circles is same in this for these 3 circles, and then he has colored. Same way here also he has drawn. His sister came and started making more designs with him. You can see here. These I have drawn. Do you want to make such designs? To make such designs you will need to use a compass. Maybe. And instrument you have seen, children, when we go for fair and they use different design in that net, small net. If you will ask to your parent, they will tell you. Okay, but you know when we use these designs and where you have seen this type of designs. Yes, especially in the bed sheet we see, and Rangoli on the Diwali occasion, in Rangoli design. Okay, now you can see so many designs of Rangolis on YouTube. Even I have also drawn by using this circular shape or rectangle, or so try to make different design by using the circle. Okay, and send on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, using a compass. Already I have explained you how we can draw with the help of rounder, or the standard name of this instrument is compass. Okay, and in general language we use rounder. Okay, so how you can see here the tip of this needle. Have you seen a compass before? Yes. How will you use this to make circle? Open your compass, open it, place the tip of the compass on the paper. Already I taught you. Hold the compass from the top. From the top you will hold in this way. Okay. Then just a minute, clear image, yes. Then place the tip of the compass on the paper, hold the compass from the top without moving the tip. Try to make the pencil a round. Do you get a circle? Definitely we will get a circle. Okay. Look for a mark where you had kept the tip of the compass. A little bit hole you will get with needle of a compass. That mark, it's called center of the circle. I already explained in the radius and center of the circle on the previous pages. Okay, this mark is the center of your circle. So what you will do today, you will write only center of the circle. Definition you will write, and definition spelling I will write, and I will say the spelling of definition, and then first number you will write center of the circle. Then you will write this process. When open the compass. When open the compass. You will not write your, because you are, students are doing this activity, so you will not inform to or address to other one. Okay. So open the compass, place the tip of the compass on the paper, hold the compass from the top without moving the tip. We try to move the pencil around. We get a circle. Do you get a circle? You will not write. We get a circle. The compass tip or the tip of the compass mark a little, very little or small hole. This mark is called center of the circle, or in the written also I will send you the definition. Okay, but you will write in this way and you will draw any radius you can take. That means from your own choice you can open your compass and you can round, and then the point you will get O, center. Okay, then is this circle better than the one you made earlier without a compass? Yes, definitely. Proper way. With the help of compass, we can draw circle in the proper way. Draw the radius of the circle and measure it. So radius, you know how we can draw the circle radius. For drawing the radius, what we do? We take a line segment, starts from the center of the circle and another endpoint of that line segment should be on the circle. Okay, so that line segment is called radius of the circle. That also you can draw. Now you can make your own designs like Daljit had made. How many did you make? So you can draw at least 5 designs. You will draw in your Interleaf notebook and you will send to me. Children, take seriously. Continuously I am telling you, you will send on my personal WhatsApp number. You are not sending your homework. It's a very bad thing. Guess how this design has been made. Use a compass to make a similar one in the box. You will draw this same. Okay. Now see on the next page. Naina was making a circle. You can see. She is Naina. Ravi asked her for an eraser. When we are doing some work and our family member is, if he or she is calling, we go and then again we continue our work. Sometimes it happens. So Ravi asked, Naina, please bring an eraser. So what she has done, she kept her compass and gave him the eraser. And again she started to make a circle. Okay. But what she got, you can see. Here the circle, Naina is drawing a circle. Now here she is making in this way. But she got this. Why? Because she changed the center of the circle. Now the tip of the compass, first here the position of this is here, but she changed and another circle she is making. Now guess, why did the Naina get such a drawing? Discuss. Because she changed the circle. Can a circle have more than one center? No. Circle cannot have more than one center. With one center we can draw so many circles, but in the circle center is unique. Another day Naina was using a compass, make circle, but it came out like this. Now you can see. Did any one of you get a shape like Naina's? Yes, so many times. I got this. Then she checked her compass and she is telling, oh, the compass is loose. Let me tighten it. Now my compass will not slip. Okay? And you will complete here. I will send you how you have to write the work. Okay? Find the center. Sadiq and Samina want to make a circus for themselves. You can see Sadiq. See his face. चिल्ला रहा है जैसे झगड़ा कर रहा है ना. And that girl. I will make it with a compass. Sadiq is telling, I will make the circle through this instrument that is called compass. Then Samina is telling, no, I will trace it with a bangle. So she drawn this and he has done with the help of compass. Then they cut their circles. Sadiq's circle and Samina's circle. Sadiq is very happy. He is telling to Samina, hey Samina, see my circle has a center, but where is the center of your circle? She is confident. She is telling, don't worry, see how find it. She folded her circus into half. Then she folded it again like this, half. She opened the folded circle. Can you see the two crazy lines crossing each other? I will show you this activity, okay? Yes. See, I put a point where these lines cross. This is the center of my circle. Now you trace a circle on a paper using a bangle, cut it, then find its center like Samina did. You will do video you will send, okay, if you are doing this activity. And I am waiting, children. I wait always when my children will send the videos. We can also make the design on page number 88 like this. How did you do it? So this design you will make with the help of circles and you will send. Okay. Now I will showing you the activity. Now balancing act. Can you balance a plate on your finger? I will balance it. That monkey is telling. Oops, I will try again. I think I have found the center of the plate. That means center of the plate, if you will take, then you can balance on your finger easily. You also try to balance a plate or a round lid on your finger. Where does it balance? You will find at home. Now spin the top. See here, Zakir, Appu, Naina and Guddu were getting bored. Why? Because the outside it was raining. So they could not go out to play. So they were feeling very bored. So suddenly Appu said, let's each make a top. So how they made? They took a piece of cardboard, traced a circle on it. Then they made a hole and put a matchstick in it. See? Now everybody was excited to spin their tops, which looked like this. Zakir, Appu, Naina, Guddus. Zakir made in this way, Appu, Naina's top and Guddu's top. Now you will find whose top will not spin at all, whose top will spin a little, whose top will spin the best, and whose top is the stick nearest to the center. You will find and you will send the answer. Then I will send my answers. Make your own top. You also make your own top and play this game to make the top spin well. Where will you make the hole? By doing this activity, you will get the answer. Yes, very good. Yes, yes, yes. Now I can hope you all are thinking same answer. Center. Yes. So you will make hole at the center of the top. So here the chapter is finished. Now we will start next chapter. Bye-bye.